Be kind and give value to every person that you're around, and you will be rewarded back. So relationships are probably one of the most important things that you have besides an education, or potentially, I would actually scratch that and say 100% even more important than that four-year degree is actually the relationship. And I could actually make a case that that four-year degree is all about establishing relationships with the different alumni, with the internships that you're going to do, and so forth. The reason why, I want to show you an example of this. Here's a property that we have. We purchased it for $300,000, all relationship based, because people knew that we were in the business and we were kind, and we sort of hold to our word and all those kind of things that you should do to have good relationships with people. Picked it for $300,000. We kept it for 1 week. We immediately put it back on the market. Just sold it for $395,000. Guys, $95,000 of profitability minus taxes in little over about a week and a half. That only happened for relationships. I cannot tell you how much important it is on social media, on LinkedIn, on networking, going to dinners, like basically if people tell you, hey, do you want to go do something? Hey, do you want to go to this event? Hey, do you want to just grab dinner, grab lunch, grab a phone call, grab whatever? Even though it can seem like it's not something ideal, you don't want to do it, you'd rather just sit at home, chill, and watch some Netflix. I can tell you, 95,000. Develop relationships, be kind, and give value to every person that you're around, and you will be rewarded back tenfold, I promise you.